Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. My name is Daisy. This is our structured beginner Mandarin Chinese class, lesson 2. In this video, we will going to talk about what is Chinese character and how it works. If you haven't watched the lesson 1 yet, that is talk about what is the Chinese pronunciation, please click the link on the top. So now, grab a pen and paper. Let us start. As you can see, this is a Chinese word made by two characters. We call it 你好 means hello. For the pronunciation part, we call it 拼音, right? We introduced it in lesson 1. So now we will focus on the character part. English use letters to make the word. Mandarin Chinese, we use characters to make our word. So now I'm gonna show you some Chinese characters.
Ready, go! What?
How do you feel? I know some of students may feel what the and also some students they may feel wow, beautiful, fascinating. However, in the beginning, the students will feel no clue for it, no idea for how it works. It looks like some random combination. But it's okay, I'm here to help you break down and learn it. Now let us ignore the pronunciation part and the meaning part, only focus on the character structure. Our characters have quite a lot of different structures if you want to analyze it in the academic way. But in my experience, as a beginner, you only need to learn the 4 common character structures. The first structure is the most common one, which is left-right structure. You can see those two characters, they are left-right structure. They have the left component and right component combined together. The second structure is above and below structure. As you can see, those two characters, they have the upper component and the lower component. The third one is fully surrounded structure. Like those two characters, they have a square, right? The last one is single character. As you can see here, they do not have left side, right side, or upper part and the lower part. They only have one part, so we call it single character. Now let us back to the first character page that I showed you at the beginning. So you find your pen and the paper. Now you write down which character is left-right structure. You can see we will put the number next to each character. You can just write down the number as your answer. So now let us find it. You can pause the video until you got your answer. You see, answer is here. If your answer is different with my answer, you can find the link in the description part of this video. In the first line, there is a link. You can book a free live lesson with me. So you can ask me all the questions that you have. Now let us go to find the above and below structure characters. Write down the number and pause the video now. You see, answer is here. Are we same? Now let us find the fully surrounded structure characters. Alright, this is our answer. The rest characters, they are single characters. After we know what is Chinese character structure, let us think about, can we get the meaning of this character based on how it looks like? Now I will give you some examples. As you can see, there are 4 characters. For the first 3 characters, they are left-right structure. For the last one is above and below structure, right? Did you realize they have exactly same component? This component looks like tree, but also meaning is tree. In ancient China, all the furniture made by tree. So you can see the meaning of those 4 characters. Table made by tree, chair made by tree, cupboard, bed, they all made by tree. That's the reason why. So in the future, once you see this component, you have to remind yourself, oh, now they will talk about something about furniture or tree. Second example, you can see those characters, they are all about left, right structure. They also have the exactly same component. This component means song related to time. Hour, time. Yesterday, time. Tomorrow, time. Evening, time. That is all about time. Last example, you see those are 4 characters. Also, they are both left, right structure. They also have the exactly same component. This component means woman, older sister, younger sister, mom, grandma. They're all ladies, all female, right? This is the way how could we get the meaning based on how character looks like. Actually, this is similar with English. In English, if a word end of ER, normally they talk about the job title, like teacher, like the cleaner, like the hairdresser, right? They're all same. If you want to learn how to write Chinese characters, you can go for the link on the top. This video will tell you how could you write the character. Also, you can go for the link here. This website will tell you how could you write each character step by step. That's gonna be really helpful. Alright guys, that is all about today. So for next lesson, lesson 3, we will start with our first topic, which is greeting, and I will teach you guys by vocabulary, sentence structure, and conversation. So guys, I will see you every Friday at 6 p.m. 再见